I quickly just wanted to film this because I'm headed to work shortly. I should be getting headlights today. Here's my old one. That's the worst one. That one's looks worse in person than it does on camera, but that one's not terrible. This is 7mm. This is 7mm. And that's it. Super long, probably about 5 or 8 inches or something like that. This is super long, so you undo it, pull it out, and then I think there's 2 little tabs here and 1 tab in the corner here of each light. And once you pull this out, you just yank this pretty hard. I'm hoping that these lights are coming here today, but UPS doesn't seem to be updating properly. Because today's the 20th, and my last update was the 15th. So I was in California. Supposed to be here today, so the lights didn't come yesterday. What a surprise. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. Okay, it's not a 7. Thanks, internet. Scratch that. It might be a 7. My 6 was in my 7 spot. So let's see if I can break this loose here. There's so much rust on it. Ah, good. This thing is also apparently huge, so I'll let you know when I get it out. Okay, well, it's out, and it looks horrible. Put that there for now. I'll get that one out, and then I'll try to tear these out. You know what? I'll just try to tear this out first. Okay, so it's been exactly a week since I got these lights. And I want to show you what the problem was. Well, what I guess the problem was. Here are the ball joints. Obviously, they should look something like this. This one's clean. Well, these are rotted as can be. So, yeah, that sucked. Pulling these out sucked. Even with, I even put liquid wrench or whatever. That didn't work. Well, I must have worked a little bit because I got it, but who knows? Anyway, my second issue was the bulbs. I bought the bulbs. The bulb that I needed to buy was actually just a straight plug, and I got the one that actually, where you plug it in actually comes out and bends down. So it'll come out and then bend down, and then you plug your plug in. I wasn't thinking when I bought it. I just kind of got the size that I needed, and I didn't take that into account that this is kind of recessed in, and it didn't work. So I just tried to get it to work. Couldn't get it to work. So on the new set of housing, you actually have to unscrew these 3 set screws, pull this up so that you can get your bulb in, tighten it back down, then twist your bulb so that it will sit in. All this stuff took me way longer than it needed to. But here it is. Definitely better than what I had. I guess without it being really dark, you can't really see the ambers, but they're on. And I got my fog lights in, so all done there. And the little support that goes underneath the hood here, that kind of holds in, it goes from this side all the way to this side. It's behind the grill. That's what the grill snaps to as well. That kind of snapped because I had to pull this out so hard. So it's broken and it's rigged together for now. But eventually, maybe I'll get a new one. I'll get some of these next, because I don't like these at all. They just look so outdated, I guess. So I'll get some black ones with the white reverse light. Lights are in. Took unnecessarily long. I don't know why I expected anything less, though. It's usually how it goes.